Hello, good morning student. Welcome back to our English grammar class today. Chapter 7, agreement of subject and verb. Now, what is subject? Do you know what is subject and verb? Subject is the person, place, thing or idea that is doing or being something. And what is verb? Verb is what is verb, student? Verb is the action performed by the person, by the subject. The action which is performed by the subject is the verb. So, we will see the heading only, whether the subject and verb they agree. So, we will see how they agree. Okay. So, the verb must agree with the subject in the number, person for a sentence to be grammatically correct. If it is wrong, if we will do something, then in the grammar the sentence is wrong. So, we should be very careful when we do this. So, they should agree, subject and verb should agree with each other. Then this is known as the agreement of the subject and the verb. We will see with the example. The following rules should be kept in mind in order to understand whether the verb in a sentence should be singular or a plural. So, what is singular? You know which are singular? Is, was, has. These are singular, and plural are, were, have. So, you should remember, okay, singular and plural. So, if the subject is singular, verb, and if the subject is plural, it will take the plural form. It is very simple to understand. If it is singular, then if the subject is singular, then the verb should be also singular. If the subject is plural, then the verb is also plural. So, this thing you have to keep in mind. Okay. So, for example, Sumaya teaches unprivileged children at her house once a week. See, here is Sumaya is what? She is singular. Okay, and teachers is also singular. Okay. So, the books are lying on the table. The books is what here? The books are plural and are is also plural. So, we should remember here, if it is only book, a book, then is will come. Though because it is S, books, then it will be are, books are lying on the decks. Okay, student. Now, we will go to the next point. Two or more singular subject joined by the conjunction. Conjunction, you know, we join and, but, or, that is conjunction, and take the plural verb. Example, John and Jane are the best friends. John and Jane, they are two different persons, and it is joined with the and conjunction. So, it takes the and what verb we have put here? Are. John and Jane, both are different. So, the conjunction is and the verb is are. Second, we will see. If there are two subjects in a sentence, but together they refer to one idea, two subject is there and but the idea is one. So, what will use? Singular verb is used. See, bread and butter is my favorite breakfast. We are not eating bread then butter. Both are together, bread and butter we apply, on bread we apply butter and then we eat, no. So, idea is same, bread and butter, though both are different, but idea is same. So, it will be bread and butter is my favorite breakfast. So, it will be singular verb is used, that is. Okay. Do not get confused. You have to go on reading. When a collective noun is considered singular unit, it takes a singular verb. Singular when a collective noun, you know collective noun, team, okay, team, gang, these are collective noun. So example, the cricket team, it is team, one team. So we will not say that it is a team, so we will use a plural, no. The cricket team was, see, singular unit, it takes a singular verb, okay. So the cricket team, team is here what? Collective noun. So we have taken verb was. Now next, if members or unit that makes up collective noun are considered as individual, then we use a plural verb. Example, the members of the jury are still divided on their opinion. The members of the jury are, okay. So he is taking individual, then we use a plural. Are is what? Are is plural. Some noun which ends in plus s take a singular verb. Gymnastic, gymnastic is an Olympic sport. Gymnastic is, okay. S is there, is takes a singular verb. Remember s, if s is here we will put singular verb is, okay. Now we will go to 7 point. We use a plural verb with quantifiers, means counting, such as both, few and many, while much always take a singular verb. How it is? We will see. Both Sonam and Seema learn vocal music. Both and, see, both two are there, so they learn vocal music. When two or more subject in a singular are joined by the conjunction, when two or more subject is joined by singular by the conjunction either, neither, then nor, or and nor, the singular verb is used. Either, neither you remember we have studied already, nor, then we will use singular verb. Either Rahul or Shyam is responsible for the mistake. Either Rahul or Shyam, either means one each, is, we will not use Rahul is there and Shyam is there, so we will not use are, we will not use plural, we will use either is there, because either is there we will use is, that is singular verb. Okay student, are you getting me? I hope you are getting. Okay. Now, however, when either or neither nor are used with two subjects, one of the woman is different from the, one of whom is different from the other in the number of person, the verb agree with the subject nearest to it. See, if it is, see, we will see either the king or the prince are leading the army in the battle today. So we have to take the closest, nearest, that we have to take the close. Either the king or the prince are leading, either the king or the prince are leading. The closest is prince, S is there. So we are using are. We are not using either the king or, see, two subject is there, the king and the prince. So the nearest, the closest, we have to take this we are talking about. Here S is there, so we are using the nearest subject, nearest verb, for that are is used. Now where we have to use title of books, magazine, title of books, magazine and films, even if they contain plural noun take the singular verb. Even they take the contain plural noun takes the singular verb. A fight of pigeon by Russian born is a delighted book. Is will take easier. A flight of pigeons by Ruskin born is. Okay. So here it is written that titles of books magazines and films, even if they contain plural noun, we take singular verb. Okay. See this you remember. Now words or phrases for money, time and distance take a singular verb. For time, for money, for distance, we take singular verb. Rupees 200 is enough for a child's weekly pocket money. See, rupees 200 will take is singular, will not take rupees 200 rupees is there. So, we will take are, no, we will take is singular verb. Now, 12th point, singular noun that represent an entire class or are plural in the meaning take a singular verb. The family is returning tomorrow. Entire, full. The family, not mother, father, children, no. Entire family will say together they are, no. So, singular noun that represent an entire class, family is also together, are plural in meaning, take a singular verb. Then we will not take families, no. Family is returning tomorrow. The family is, will not put are, because more family, children are there, parents are there, will not use, but will use here verb as a singular verb. Now, when the subject has two noun or pronoun joined by connecting like as, well as, with, along with, in addition to and together with, the verb agree with the first one. The verb agree with the first, as long as, this, no, as well as. So, example, the captain as well as his teammates is happy with the score. Captain and his team are happy with the as well as his is happy. Will not, captain is there, the captain as well as his team, they are, will not say they are, they is happy. See, I have made mistake. Teammates, S is there, so automatically it is coming R. So, I am wrong. So, we will use here is. The captain is there as well as his teammates is happy with the score. Okay. See how we are making mistake. So, when word like each or every are used before a noun, when word like each, we say each child, each girl, every are used before a noun, the verb is singular. When each and every are joined with and before a noun, then to, the verb is singular. When word like each or every are used before a noun, the verb is singular. The verb is singular. Each day brings fresh possibilities. Each, here E is capital. Each day brings fresh possibilities. Here now we will go to the exercise. I have done for you the exercise, few I have done, student, few you have to practice. Okay. So, you see all the exercise are done, only 5 I have done for you. So, rest you can do yourself. Okay. So, okay, till then we will meet, very soon we will meet next week. Okay. So, till then be happy, be safe. Thank you.